Good day, everybody. How are you? I am fine. So today I'll be doing this question 3 for Maths paper on November 2023. So now, it's question 2. Sorry. So now in this case, it is question 2, and then you're given what the arithmetic series. You must know that whenever they are talking about arithmetic series, it means you're going to be dealing with what? Addition or subtraction. Is it fine? Because this is not arithmetic. It is only when you're finding the common difference, it is only about addition or subtraction. And then now you're given 7, 12, and 17. So it means when you're given this thing, we can also find what? The common difference. So you know when you're getting the common difference, it is what? T2 minus T1, blah, blah, blah. So now let's go to the first question. They are basically saying that determine the value of T91. So before I continue, there is something that you have to know there. There is something which is also always there, which is what? Tn. So now this and this are almost the same thing, because check something. It means this 91, it is representing n. Is it fine? So it means when you're gonna substitute, when you're gonna write the formula where there is n, we put what? 91. So now they want the value of T91. So let's start now and do that question there. They want T91. So the first thing that you can do, you can write out your formula there, which is what? Tn is equals to A and then plus n minus 1 times D. Okay, and then what is the first term there? It is 7 plus, I told you that where there is n, you're gonna put what? 91 minus 1. And then now, what is the common difference? We didn't even check the common difference. So now let's check it now. We didn't confirm it there. So now what did we have? We had 7, and then we had 12, and we had 17. So let's check the common difference. What is T2 minus T1? 12 minus 7, it is 5. 17 minus 12, it is 5. So it basically means the common difference, it is what? 5. Please guys, don't make a mistake when you're writing this one in the formula. People tend to do something like maybe 91 minus 1, and then they write 5 like this, which is completely wrong. You're gonna lose marks there. So please write this 5 in brackets there. Your common ratio in brackets to show them that you are multiplying this thing. Is it fine? And then now let's continue. It simply means you are simply gonna add everything, because now in this case we can write T91. So which basically means T91, it is equals to 457. That is the answer there. Is it fine, guys? I hope that's how it is. So now let's continue. The first thing that you must check before writing the formula, I feel like we should have done it, but it's fine. Check the value of A, check if you have it, check the common difference, check if you have it, and check what you are asked. Then you can now fill your data that you have. And then now the second one, they are saying that calculate the sum of the first 91 terms. So now it is that one of the sum. But now you know that now when it comes to the sum formula, you have two formulas for finding the sum. So now it is what? 2.1.2. So let's go. There is the first one that we all know, which is what? Sn. It is equals to n over 2, and then 2a plus n minus 1, then times d. Let's select my marker is there. I might change it now. So let's go. Where is this one? I'm gonna say S91, right? And then what is the value of n? Where there is n, that is where I'm gonna put what? 91, because they said S91. So it is the same as Sn. S91, where there is n, you put what? 91 over 2. And then what is 2? The value of a there, it is what? 7. And then plus, where is n, I put what? 91 again, minus 1. And then times what? D it was what? 5 there, the common difference. And then when you're done doing this, you can simply calculate, and then you're gonna get your answer and write it as 21112. That is the answer there. S91 21112 is the answer. So now let's go to the next one. So now number 3, calculate the value of n for which Tn it is equals to 517. So it basically means in our formula, this is 2.1.3. In our formula, where there is Tn, we are going to put what? 517. And already we have the value of A, we have the value of D there. They simply now want what? The value of n. So let's go. Then our formula is like what? Tn, it is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. Where there is Tn, they said what? Tn is equals to 517, which is equals to the value of 8 is what? 7 plus n, it is what? It is the one that they want. And then the common difference is 5. And then now we are gonna do our maths. So line f 7 plus 5n minus 5, it is equals to 517 this side. So what is 7 minus 5? It is 2, right? So when I take that one to the other side, it will be 515. It is equals to 5n. Therefore, the value of n, it is equals to 103. 103. 7 minus 5, it is 2. And then when I take this one, 517 minus 2 give me 515. Then that's how I got my answer. Is it fine, guys? So now let's go to 2.2. 2.2, I mean. Under 2.2, this is what you're given. You're given a what? Quadratic number pattern. So now, and underline it. It is what? Quadratic pattern. So it means you'll be busy doing that thing, that construction like this, whereby you'll be having the first difference and the second difference. And then now about the quadratic pattern, you know that if the first difference forms a what? An arithmetic pattern. Okay, but now let's continue. You are given that T1 it is equals to 3, T2 minus T1 is equals to 9, T3 minus T2 is equals to 21. But we are going to interpret it slowly and nicely. And then now what we have, they want that us to show that T5 it is equals to 111. So now, this is how you're going to do it. We are going to do it slowly and slowly. Even if it is 2 marks, we don't care. So now let's go and do what we have. Ne? So now they said that T1 it is equals to 3. Which means that is the first term. I'm allowed to write it here. So this is what? 3. And then I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they want this one, the T5. This is T1. But we are not given what? T2. We are not given T3. We are not given T4. We are not given what? T5. T5 is the one that they want. So now, what we are given, they say that T2 minus T1, it is equals to 9. So it basically means we go to check something. This is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. And now you know about the first difference. So now it simply means we go to T2 minus T1. It is that one, right? So now it is going to be something like this. T2 minus T1 gives me what? 9. This is where you have your what? Your 9 here. Is it fine? And then now they continued again and said what? T3 minus T2 is equals to 21. So T3 minus T2 it is equals to what? 21. Is it fine? And then now let's continue and form our pattern. Let's continue the last one and find the second difference. What is 21 minus 9? It is 12. So I can write it here, 12. But now I have a problem. They want T5. How can I get it? Now we can start by forming our thing there. So now I'm allowed to say 9 plus 3, which will give me what? 12. Write 12 here. And you can confirm by saying 12 minus 3 gives you 9. We continue. 12 plus 21 gives you what? 33. You see, 33 minus 12 gives you 21. But now, for us to find T4, it's gonna be tricky because you're not given the other detail. So now, this is how you can find it here. And until now, you know that T4 minus T3. Check something. You know that T4 minus T3 must give you this value here, which is here. And we don't even have that value, right? But now, this T5, it is the one that they are looking for. So now, this is how we can do it. Check something. I love this question. I told you when I was starting this question that we know that the first difference, the first common difference forms what? An arithmetic pattern. And now for this arithmetic pattern, already you have the first term and the second term. And again, we have the what? The common difference, which means I can do this and write what? 12 here, because the second difference, it is the same. And then now, since this one, I know that the first difference forms a arithmetic pattern, I'm allowed to say 9 plus 21 gives me what? What is 9 plus 21? 9 plus 21, let me calculate. 9 plus 21, 9, 21. It is what? It is what? 33. Okay. We are forming it slowly but slowly, right? Now, again, I know that the second difference, it is what? 12. Say second common difference. So now I'm looking for what? This number. So now for me to find T4, I can say what? T4. I know that T4 minus T3 gives me what? 33. You can write it down there. But T4, it is the one that I'm looking for. Minus, what is T3? 33. Which is equals to 33. Therefore, T4, it is equals to 33. And then that 33, when it goes to that side, it changes the sign and then it will be 66. So it means we go to learn I have what? 66. Is it fine? And then now, when you're going to continue here, we are going to do the same thing. What is 33 plus 12? 33 plus 12, it is what? 45. Is it 45? Let's check. 33, 12, 45. Yeah, it is 45. Now, we know that we can do the very same procedure. So now, T5 minus, and then they told us that we must show that T5 is equals to 111, and it T4, which is equals to 45. T5 minus T4 gives us 45. That's what we know according to the arithmetic pattern and everything. So now T5 is the one that I want, right? Minus, what is T4? 66, which is equals to 45. Therefore, T5, it is equals to 111. Because 66 plus 45, 6 plus 5, it is 11. Put that one there. 6 plus 4, it is 10. Add that one, it is 11. You see? That's how you form that thing. You must just interpret it correctly. You must know that on an arithmetic sequence, the first common difference forms a what? An arithmetic pattern, which means the second common difference, it is the same, 12, 12, 12. So now we managed to find T4 and T5 using the common difference formula. T4 minus T3 is equals to this one, and stuff and stuff and stuff. This is the best way. I hope it will work for you all. And yeah, let's go to the next question. Now on the next question, they want show that the general pattern. So they are saying that show that the general pattern, it is what? Tn, it is equals to 6n squared minus 9n plus 6. They want us to show that. But now already this is what we have. I need to learn we have 3, and then what we have? 12, 33, 66, 111. Because you're gonna use this thing to form a pattern. 12. Lana, I had what? 21, 33, 45, 12, 12. But when you're forming a quadratic pattern, you are only considering these numbers only. So now let's start. You will say that 2a, it is equals to what? 12. So now it is 2a, it is equals to this. 2a, it is basically equals to the second common difference. And then now, let's solve for a. Therefore, we are going to divide both by 2. Therefore, a is equals to 6. Now, let's go to the next one. 3a plus b, it is equals to the what? The first common difference. So, 3a plus b, it is equals to 9. 3a plus b, it is equals to the first number of the arithmetic pattern, or the first number of the common difference. So, where there is a, I'm going to put what? 6 plus b, it is equals to 9. This is 6, 12, 18 plus b, it is equals to 9. Then 9 minus 18, it is equals to minus 9. The last one, a plus b plus c is equal to the first term of the part of the sequence. So a plus b plus c it is equal to 3. Where there is a, I put I have what? 6. And then b it is minus 9 plus c, which is equal to 3. 6 minus 9, it is minus 3. And then minus 3 plus c it is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 it is equal to 6. I took that 3 to the other side, then it changes the sign. Then that's when you can now write to go to Tn, it is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. And then now after that, that's when we are gonna say what? Tn it is equal to 6n squared minus 9n plus 6. Now it is the same thing. The last one, they are saying that show that the pattern is increasing for all n elements of natural numbers. So now, when they are telling you about the word increasing, maximum, minimum, decreasing, that's when you're going to do your first derivative. So now, please do that every time. So now in this case, I will use this one, which n is equals to minus b over 2a. Because this thing, it is the same as the parabola. Aren't you seeing that it is the same form? Squared n and then the number. It is the same. What is your b? Minus 9 over 2, 6, which is equals to what? 9 over 12. It is the same as 3 over 4. And then now you can say therefore Tn is increasing for all what n element of natural numbers. That's how you can write it, guys. Okay, so this was all about the question and stuff. I hope you enjoyed the question and you enjoyed the what to call the session we had right now. Please don't forget to subscribe and share more and share the videos. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.